This is sort of a recent purchase, and it's sort of been a thorn in trying to figure out what's going on. But there's some stator goo, as you can see, and it's on the stator too. Customer came in and said he wanted to replace the stator, so we replaced the stator, and now we're getting excellent output with the DVA where it wasn't quite that good before. But it's still having some intermittent spark issues, and could have something to do with this. If you notice, that screw right there is loose, and this has been wiggling around, and we're gonna have to replace this because it's not making good contact. You can move it around and it'll change the firing. So there's a broken wire right inside of that harness, and I can't really tell. Something else is going on inside of there, but it's going to need a new timer base, because you can't have one where you wiggle that and it fires and you wiggle it again, because that moves when you throttle it up, and that's right where it's broken. So it's going to need another timer base on this one to get it to fire the way it's supposed to. That's probably been the culprit, along with low stator output.